Newsletter sponsorships are one of the most underrated income streams available to content creators right now. Not because they are new. Because most creators assume they need a massive audience before sponsors will pay attention. That assumption is wrong. And AI is the reason it is wrong. Today I am sharing the exact system I used to land newsletter sponsors, the research process, the outreach approach, the pitch structure, and the follow-up sequence, all powered by AI. This system works whether your newsletter has 500 subscribers or 50,000. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why newsletter sponsorships work for small audiences. The most common misconception about newsletter sponsorships is that you need a large audience to attract paying sponsors. You do not. You need the right audience. A newsletter with 500 highly engaged readers in a specific professional niche is more valuable to the right sponsor than a general interest newsletter with 50,000 passive subscribers. Sponsors do not pay for audience size alone. They pay for access to a specific type of person who is likely to buy their product or service. This means the sponsorship opportunity is available much earlier in your newsletter growth journey than most creators realize. The key is identifying sponsors whose ideal customer matches your newsletter audience precisely, and communicating that match clearly in your pitch. AI makes both of those things significantly easier. Step 1. Define your audience value with Claude. Before approaching any sponsor, you need a clear and compelling one-paragraph description of who your newsletter audience is and why they are valuable to advertisers. Open Claude and give it everything you know about your subscribers. Their professional background. Their goals. Their income level if relevant. Their buying behavior. The problems they are trying to solve. Ask Claude to write a concise audience value statement, a one-paragraph description of your subscribers that makes a sponsor immediately understand why reaching him is worth paying for. This statement becomes the foundation of every sponsor conversation you have. It answers the most important question a sponsor asks before writing a check: who exactly am I reaching and why do they matter to my business? Step 2. Research and identify the right sponsors. The wrong sponsors waste everyone's time. The right sponsors convert into long-term relationships that renew month after month. Ask Claude to help you identify the ideal sponsor profile for your newsletter. What types of businesses sell products or services to your specific audience? What price points are they likely comfortable advertising at? What marketing channels do they typically use? What results do they need to justify their ad spend? Then use this profile to build a list of 20 to 30 potential sponsors. Look for businesses that are already advertising in similar newsletters or publications targeting your audience type. If they are already spending money reaching your type of audience somewhere else, they are proven buyers who understand the value of newsletter advertising. Ask Claude to help you research each potential sponsor on your list. What their product or service does. Who their ideal customer is. What their marketing messaging focuses on. What problem they solve for buyers. This research makes your outreach personal and relevant rather than generic and ignorable. Step 3. Write your sponsor pitch with Claude. A sponsor pitch that converts has 4 elements. An audience introduction. A relevance connection. A specific placement proposal. A clear call to action. Give Claude your audience value statement, your sponsor research notes, and your newsletter format details, frequency, content type, open rate if available. Ask Claude to write a personalized pitch email for each sponsor. Each email should open by demonstrating you understand their business and target customer. Then show precisely why your audience matches their offer. Then propose a specific sponsorship placement with clear details: what they get, where it appears, how many subscribers see it, and the price. Keep every pitch under 200 words. Concise, specific pictures convert significantly better than long, impressive sounding emails that bury the offer. Step 4. Follow up systematically. Most sponsorship deals close on the follow-up, not the first email. Ask Claude to write a 3-email follow-up sequence for non-responders. Each follow-up adds something new rather than repeating the original pitch. Follow-up 1, 4 days after initial pitch, shares a sponsor result or new audience data point. Follow-up 2, 5 days later, offers a reduced entry point. A single-issue sponsorship at a lower price removes the risk and gets sponsors to experience your newsletter firsthand. Follow-up 3, 5 days later, a brief, polite final check-in. Easy to respond to with a simple yes or no. 3 follow-ups spaced appropriately closes a significant percentage of deals the initial pitch alone would have missed. Step 5. Deliver and retain. Landing a sponsor is only the beginning. Retaining sponsors through renewal is where newsletter sponsorship income becomes genuinely significant. After every sponsorship placement, ask Claude to write a simple results email to your sponsor. What the placement looked like. How many subscribers saw it. Any engagement or click data you have. A brief note about what you plan for the next issue. This results email positions you as professional, transparent, and easy to work with. Sponsors who receive clear results communication renew at dramatically higher rates than those who hear nothing after their payment clears. One retained sponsor paying $200 per month is $2,400 per year from a single relationship. Your action plan starting today. Write your audience value statement with Claude today. Build your list of 20 potential sponsors. Ask Claude to write your first 5 personalized pitch emails. Send them before the end of this week. Follow up systematically. Deliver results communication after every placement. Newsletter sponsorship income is consistent, recurring, and completely scalable as your audience grows. What niche is your newsletter in? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a clear system for landing newsletter sponsors, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.